Hi everyone. So today we will see some questions from the chapter Polynomials. Okay, the questions are you'll be given expressions. So question is, which of the following expressions are polynomials? Okay. So how do you identify if a given expression is polynomial? If it is a polynomial, then you will have to find its degree. Okay. In case of a polynomial, in case it's a polynomial, then write its degree. This is the question. Okay. It's the first one is x cube minus 5x plus 2. So in order to identify if it is a polynomial, what is the first thing that you have to do? You will have to check the power of the variable. Okay, so what is the power of the variable? The power of the variable, that is, this is the power, this is the variable, and this is the power. Yeah, so it has to be a whole number. So whenever you have an algebraic expression wherein the power is a whole number, then that is a polynomial. So here this is a polynomial. Okay, and what do you mean by degree? Degree is nothing but the highest power of the variable. So this is the x is the variable, the highest power is 3. If it's just x, it means x to the power 1. Okay, so here degree is nothing but 3. The second question, y square plus root 2y minus root 6. Is this a polynomial? Yes, because the power of the variable are all whole numbers. So it is a polynomial. Okay, and what is the degree? Highest power of the variable, in this case it is 2. This is 1. Okay, so the degree is 2. Next one, suppose it is 2 root x plus 7. Now tell me if it is a polynomial or not. What do you mean by root x? See, root x is nothing but it is equal to x to the power 1 by 2. And is 1 by 2 a whole number? No. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. It's not a polynomial. Okay. So suppose questions are of this kind, you will have to definitely solve, think, and then decide the powers of the variable. The fourth question. Okay. Suppose you're given x square plus 5 by x square plus 1. This is the question. How will you do it? Immediately, you cannot just look at the powers and say it's a whole number. No, you will have to simplify, solve it. You have to take x square to the numerator part. So then what will happen? This will turn into x square plus 5 when x to the power 2, 1 by x to the power 2, right? 5 into 1 by, so it is x to the power minus 2 plus 1. Okay, now if you have, so even if there is a single expression wherein you don't have, only if this expression has got the power of the variable everywhere as a whole number, then this algebraic expression can be called as a polynomial. Here you have a negative term. Yeah, negative term. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. Okay. Next question. This is an important question. Fifth one. Okay. 6 root x plus x to the power 3 by 2 divided by root x. Again, please do not decide on by just looking at the powers immediately. So this is x to the power 1 by 2, 1 by 2. No. And you will immediately think that you shouldn't think that since it's not a whole number, it is not a polynomial. You'll have to simplify it. Okay, so such questions are very important. So this will become 6 root x by root x, just split the denominator, plus x to the power 3 by 2 by root x. We know root x is nothing but x to the power 1 by 2. Okay, here root x and root x would get cancelled. So this expression will become 6 plus, you will have x to the power 3 by 2 by x to the power 1 by 2 in the denominator. So this will be nothing but 6 plus x to the power 3 by 2. If when it goes to the, if we have a division, then the powers are subtracted. So it is minus 1 by 2. Okay, so even if you take the LCM, it will become what? 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 2. Okay, so 6 plus x raised to the power 2 by 2, which is nothing but 1. Okay, so now tell me, is 6 plus x a polynomial or not? It is a polynomial. And what is the degree? The degree is 1. Okay, so this is how you'll have to do it. Whenever you're given a question on identifying if it is a polynomial, wherever possible, okay, where in such cases, you will have to simplify, you will have to solve it and then check if the power of the variable is a whole number. If the power of the variable is a whole number, then it is a polynomial. Find the highest power of the variable, that is the degree. Okay, hope you understood. Let us continue the remaining in the next video. Thank you. Do hit a subscribe. Do comment the toughest question that you have seen in this chapter or the question that you want me to solve. Do comment. Thank you.